What's going on, family? I am Instructor Janul Manaz. You're tuned into H.E.F/B.B.U, health, exercise, fitness that'll build a better you while building a better us. This is our pistol grip series, like we say, where we taking a target on the body and we going at it to shape it up, to mold it to the position and the look that we would like for it to be. I'm gonna just do shoulders today, so it's gonna kind of be rapid to the point to where you may and may not need to take a break in between. I'm pushing myself, so I'm not gonna be able to call it right now. I'm gonna push it till the burn. Once I feel that burn, we'll take that break. So we're just gonna start off. We're gonna do front raises. We're gonna do the side raises. We're gonna do the bent deltoid raise. Then we're gonna grab the easy bar and we're gonna do some chin ups with those. From the chin ups to the chin up over the head raises. And also we'll do individual right to left arm set of just the snatch and pull with the dumbbell with the raise at the top. So let's get it. Let's go. Fairly lightweight, not too heavy, anywhere from 15 to 20 pounds, whatever suits you for your shoulders. Don't want to go too heavy because you don't want to put that strain by coming over the head and pulling a muscle or just popping something out of place. So be safe with that range of weight that you do pick. 15, 20, maybe even 30 could be around about my range. So that's what I'm sticking to. I ain't going too heavy because the front raise I can go higher than my side raises. So enough talking, let's go. We're gonna do the single arm raise, pull and snatch, snatch and press. So right arm first. Switch arms, go to that left. With that motion, you want to keep that elbow out so you can focus on that shoulder. Come up, get to that twist point like you're on a motorcycle. Twist back that motor and press up from that motion. All right, next, we got the easy bar. We're going straight chin ups, keeping those elbows flared out. Bring it up to the chin, let's go. All right, going to the overhead press. All right, first set down, second set up. We got 2 more sets to go. The first set with the shoulder raises from the front, side, and the deltoids, doing anywhere from about 5 to 6 reps. That's just so we won't burn out too soon so we can get the rest of them in. What you got, time hook? 30. All right, let's go. Second set, front, side, and deltoids, let's get it. Single arm. All right, switch arms. All right, easy bar. Chin ups, let's get it. I'm starting to feel that burn. Let's get the press up their head. Let's go. set down. Third set up. One more set to go. Short breather. Make sure that you do have synchronized motion in doing this. The single arm is really getting you set up for the easy bar snatch over the head press. It's the same motion, just an individual arm, each one. So when you look at it, when you're doing them chin-ups, that's the beginning motion. The second motion is that pull over the head press. Here, motorcycle turn, over the head. We ready? All right. Last set, let's make it count. Front raises. Single arms, let's get it. Things start burning. Let's go. All right, chin up. Let's get it. Over the head. Let's go. All right. That was the third, final set of our pistol grip extra hard work for the shoulders, where we did front raises, side raises, bent delt raises with the single arm snatch pulls with the raise at the top, chin up with the bar, and then that chin up with the press at the top. You've been tuned into H.E.F/B.B.U. Health, exercise, fitness that'll build a better you while building a better us. Pistol grip series, where you taking hold of those certain body parts and molding it, shaping it into what you would like to see. All right, remember to stretch. After now, we just got done, so we should make sure you stretch it. Till next time, family, I salute.